Welcome to week 5. You have now completed the week 4 videos and assignments. Some of you may have found them to be quite a challenge, and others may have found it to be very easy. That's because in this Fundamentals Graphic Design class, the student population is varied in regards to their Photoshop skills. We have some students coming in who have no Photoshop experience at all. Maybe you're one of them. We have other students coming in with some substantial Photoshop experience, and maybe you're one of them. Either way, it's cool, it's okay, but I want to talk to you who have no Photoshop skills at all first and let you know that don't get too worked up. It's okay, especially if you are progressing. That's what we want to happen, is you just to get better and better at these Photoshop techniques. Don't compare yourself to some of these other students who maybe are whizzing through this because they have some Photoshop background. Well, with that said, we are on to week 5, and we are going to be talking about the pen tool. Actually, Brian Bosco is going to introduce the pen tool to you. Get ready. And I'm not just talking about how weird Brian is. I'm talking about the pen tool. Don't get frustrated. It can be a very frustrating tool. We're going to spend some time with it. You're going to do some exercises with it. You're going to watch some videos. Work it as best you can. Practice is really important when using the pen tool. Plus, don't rely on just the videos that Brian has done for learning the pen tool. There are lots of other quality pen tool tutorials you can search for on the web at any time. Lastly, before you begin this next series of assignments and videos, I want to encourage you to participate. Participation is an important aspect of this course. Some of you are on the discussion board a lot, and that's great. You're going to get the points for that. Some of you are not posting questions, posting answers on the discussion boards. I know you have them. I know you have questions. Don't be shy. I want to encourage you to participate in the discussion boards as much as you possibly can. At the very least, read them, because if you read them, you're going to see questions that have been asked that maybe you can either answer or maybe you want to know the answer to, and you can read the answers and increase your Photoshop skills. Also, coming up, there's going to be group assignments where you are going to have to connect with, on a regular basis, your group and your team partners. Get used to this. Get used to using the discussion boards. And also, I believe I mentioned this to you in an announcement. I'm going to be putting together a time or a couple of times where I'll hold a chat session. It's meaning real time. You're going to be able to ask me questions and I'm going to be able to respond right away. We get a group of people on there. It's going to be very helpful in learning these Photoshop skills and any sort of skills and concepts we need to learn in the future. That's it. Again, I just want to leave you with this last piece of advice. Don't get too frustrated with the pen tool. Keep reviewing the videos. Practice, practice, practice. See you soon.